guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for peach cobbler. To get started, I have some canned peaches. You can use fresh peaches if you like. I'll be using some granulated sugar, flour, I have milk, some melted butter, I have brown sugar, some vanilla extract, 1 egg, baking powder, some salt, cornstarch, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So let's start by making the filling for the peach cobbler. First, we will add some brown sugar to the peaches, and I did drain the peaches a little bit before getting started. You know, it has a lot of juice in there, and I don't like a very runny, soupy peach cobbler. So I drained it a bit, and we will add our spices, vanilla extract, and we'll add the cornstarch here. The cornstarch is used to thicken the syrup or the sauce. We will set this aside and get started on the batter. The batter is what makes the crust. Now let's create our batter by adding some sugar, flour, baking powder. We will add the eggs, vanilla extract, salt, milk. Basically this is a pancake batter. And if you want, you can use self-rising flour instead of the baking powder, and you can also omit the egg. If you don't like eggs in your batter, you can just not use it. And we will mix this to combine and form like a pancake like consistency. What this does is when you pour it at the bottom of your baking dish, it rises up and forms a beautiful crust. It's so cool how this happens. But this is the traditional way, how they make peach cobbler. You can also use like a pie crust if you like. You can buy one or make one by hand. It's just a matter of choice and how you like your peach cobbler. Now let's assemble the peach cobbler. We will first add some melted butter at the bottom of the baking dish. Then we will add the batter. When you add this batter, you do not want to stir it. Just leave the batter just as you pour it in the pan. Then we will place the peaches right over top of that batter, and that's it. That's how simple it is to make this. We will place this in a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour. So after about 1 hour and 5 minutes, the peach cobbler is finally done, and it smells amazing in here. But I let it rest for about 30 minutes before I dig in and show you guys what it looks like. Once I dig in, this is what we have here. Let me tell you, I paired it up with some vanilla ice cream and caramel syrup, and it was everything. It was so delicious. This is perfect for your holiday tables, and it is so easy to make. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!